Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about a upcoming winter storm for the Midwest and Great Lakes that will likely drop over 6 inches of snow. That'll be happening tomorrow morning through tomorrow night, Tuesday. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Also, share this with friends and family and like the video to get this out to as many people as possible. Let's get right into this. This is the NAM 3K model run 12Z, the latest one. And you can see here, tonight, this evening, you can see pockets of heavy snow in south central Iowa with pockets of heavy rain in the surrounding areas. That eventually turns into all snow early Tuesday morning, like 3 or 4 a.m., with rain in the back end of the system in Iowa and Illinois, with heavy snow in the front end of the system in southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois and northeastern Iowa. As we move ahead into around 7 a.m. Tuesday, the heavy rain takes over all of southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois, and even spreading into portions of southwestern Michigan and northern Indiana, and even southeastern Minnesota at times. Heavy snow. Visibilities could be near zero at times. That heavy snow pushes northeast by the early afternoon and takes over portions of Michigan with heavy snow and northern Wisconsin with heavy snow, while it transitions to rain for northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin as the snow starts to melt immediately, while it still remains heavy snow in Michigan. And it pushes eastwards over time and it transitions to rain with severe storms to the south in southern Illinois and Missouri, which will be another video. This is total accumulated snowfall on all of Tuesday, and you can see the heaviest snow will fall in northern Michigan and central Wisconsin with up to 6 inches locally. Otherwise, a general amount of 2 to 4 inches is expected for northern Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, Iowa. This model, the latest run, the HRW NMMB, and you can see it has pockets of heavy snow tonight in Iowa. That starts transitioning into all snow early Tuesday morning around 4 to 5 a.m. for Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and northeastern Iowa. Heavy snow as it pushes northeast towards Michigan and the upper peninsula of Michigan. And it transitions to all rain by the early afternoon for southern Wisconsin, Illinois, while it remains heavy snow for Michigan and northern Wisconsin. And it continues to push east into Canada, while it transitions to rain for everyone involved. Total accumulated snowfall for this model is slightly less than the last model, with mostly 1 to 3 inches rather than 2 to 4 inches, with locally higher amounts up to 5 inches rather than 6 plus. Overall, it will be a winter storm that'll happen and will likely bring 2+ inches of snow to most people involved. The regular NAM 12Z run has a swath of 9+ inches in northern Iowa into central Wisconsin. This, I believe, is unreasonable at this time. Totals will likely not exceed more than 6 inches locally in some areas. Question of the day for this video is, are you excited for my 2020 overall hurricane season review, the ultimate 2020 hurricane season review that will be released December 10th? Comment your answers below and I will come over. That's the trusted weather forecast for this upcoming winter storm for the Great Lakes and Midwest. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.